Hi, I'm Stephen, and this is a 3-minute tech talk on installing the Owncloud client for Windows. To download the software, navigate to your Owncloud website. Log in and click your name in the upper right corner. Choose the personal settings, and at the very top of the screen you'll find a link to the desktop app software. Click that. I'm going to choose Download for Windows, and then download again. Your browser will begin downloading the software, and as soon as it's done, you can run it, and you'll find that it's a standard Windows install. As we go through here, I'm simply going to accept the default options. When the software is finished installing, it will give you the option of running it immediately. So when I click Finish, the configuration dialog will come up. The server address you type in is the same as the one that you use to reach the website. Typically, it's going to be HTTPS because it's a secure site, and it's important that you put that S in there. Click Next. Your user ID for Queen's users is your net ID and your campus net ID password. Next again. Typically in this dialog you're going to simply say to keep local data. That means that if you already have an Owncloud folder inside your folder, it will be merged with your existing data. You can also start a clean sync. In this case, since I don't have anything on this computer, I'm going to choose that option. And I connect. At this point, the client will go off and connect to Owncloud. You can see that the Owncloud sync has started. If we right-click on the logo in the task area, we can choose Settings, and we can see from the green check mark that we've got everything set up correctly. At this point, I'm going to close the settings. Now, if you open a standard Windows Explorer, you will find that the installer has created a folder called Owncloud, and it's left the folder under your favorites menu. If I click that, I can see that all my files from the Owncloud server are downloading, and in fact we can sit here and watch them appearing. You'll notice you have exactly the same folder structure, and eventually when it finishes you'll have all the same files that you have on the website. And you can deal with these files the same way that you would any other files. I can open them, I can rename them here, I can move them inside folders, I can take them out. The Owncloud Sync client will make sure that the files up on the server exactly represent the way that you have them set up inside the folder on your client. If you're installing the client on a laptop, these files will continue to be available when you're disconnected from the network. Any changes you make will get synced up to the Owncloud server and down to your other devices once you reconnect.